play people simpan yang sebai pi akan ke channel onom KHUBOR te beri ka post Laitkam beri jangka MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission Shillong te kan play kan get ka omlo ni kan notice ma ani this is for general information. All candidates and general public that aspire letter number spelled into dated Shillong the 4th November 2025 received from Deputy Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya Personnel and Administrative Reforms Department for the post of Assistant Engineer on the Urban Affairs Department, which was advertised earlier by the Commission. The category wise roster is as follows. The pada begini ka post Assistant Engineer ma on the Urban Affairs Department. Kemudian jangka ni ka MPSC. The on page ni the number of post A ma. The name ka name of post kali Assistant Engineer in Urban Affairs Departments. The previous advertisement kali gitu kan pintu di Shillong tu ditentukan December 21. The number of posts advertised kali Artylli. The category wise number of posts dia. The kali kawei Khasi kawei Garo total kali Artylli. The kali pan amno gitu. Therefore, only eligible candidates from the above particular committees will be called for the screening test interview. They kembang tu mah. Therefore, eligible candidates. They take to eligible candidates mah gilaban from the above particular committees mah gilaban cut mah gilaban call for the screening test interview. Tentu. Jadi kalau ni people ipa pagi ni video, apa pada people share, like, subscribe. Jadi kalau ni people